guys, Maria Mitchell here, bringing you another face painting tutorial. Today we're going to face paint Bluey. Now Bluey is super popular here in Australia, not sure in the States, but I get requests for this all the time. So what I've used is a light blue, not quite sure what the name is, just any light blue from your kit will work, with a half circle sponge to dab on. And I've also used a number 6 round brush for the darker blue areas. I've also used a half circle sponge for the muzzle in a tan colour, as well as the white for above the eyes. And I've also used a number 6 round brush for the outlining, and another 4 round brush for the outlining of the eyebrows and just some other line work. I've used Fusion White, and the rest of the colours you can match with whatever colours you have in your face painting kit. It's pretty straightforward, and it's a fun one to face paint for the kids that love Bluey. Okay, so enough chit chat, let's get painting. Right, to begin, I'm picking up some white. This is just Fusion White, and I'm going to proceed in making the Bluey's eyes. So I usually ask the child to shut their eyes while fill in this area. So I mainly sort of go over the eyelids, but not too close to the eyes. Obviously kids get a bit funny when you get too close to the eyes. I don't blame them. So just a little round section like that. Now I've loaded the other side of my half circle sponge with a colour called Tan by Global Colours. So I'm going to try to do a triangle here for Bluey's ears. So I'm going to start up here and sort of make a triangle. So you're not moving this tip, you're just swinging this part of the sponge while you dab. So dab, 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 dab. It's a little bit tricky sometimes. All good if you don't get it right. We can always use the baby white. And for the muzzle, we're just going to ask the child to hide their top lip, and it's going to do that muzzle area just along there. Baby white, I'm just going to wipe that excess off. I've just picked up light blue, so where I'm going to start is between the tan colour and the white. I'm going to do a line, so just a line across. That'll be Bluey's, the top of his head, and I'm going to do a diagonal, another diagonal pinch just along there, and then fill in this area between the white part of the eyes right down to the sides here. Just along, so where the muzzle is. I'm just going to continue all the way around, just like that. I've loaded up a number 6 round brush, and I'm going to do a little diagonal stroke right here, and this is going to be Bluey's eyebrows. And around his eyebrows, I've loaded up another number 6 round brush with the darkest blue that I can find on my face painting kit. And I'm going to do a stroke between the eyebrows and where that top part is. Yep, and then a stroke up the top of his ear, and then come right down, flick it in a little, and then we're going to come right around cheek and press down, join the body. On a child's face, it's a lot more absorbent, so you don't have to sort of go over things like I'm going over them right now. So along, filling that area in, some more of that paint, and we're going to fill this area right here between the white and the eyebrows. Curve in, filling in that small area, just like that. Then coming in and filling in the whites, sort of halfway down. All right, and again on the other side, bringing it up and around. And then we're right around to meet up. Hitting in right there. Going to do a stroke in. Fill in the rest. In the other areas. Now, a lot of my viewers are from the US. I'm not too sure how popular Bluey is in the States. So comment below, let me know if your kids watch Bluey or you get a lot of requests for Bluey. I'm not too sure how popular it is over there, but it is super popular here in Australia. My son, my daughter, they absolutely love Bluey. All right, with my number 6 round brush loaded up, I'm going to do his nose. So I'm just going to start wider than the actual child's nose up the top here. I'm going to do a line, and then I'm just going to work my way down. I'm just going to do like a little rounded tipped triangle, pretty much. Fill in areas. And now, just for the muzzle, we're going to bring a line down right to where the middle of her, where her lips are, and we're going to go around and up. Again, round and up. We're going to fill that upper lip with the black. My brush is still loaded. I want to go over his eyebrows. Now for the finishing touches, I'm loading up a number 4 round brush with some Fusion White, or whatever white you use for your outlines, and I'm just going to go ahead and outline the whole thing. And outlining it in white actually gives it that bluey look, because that's all the merchandise has the white outline. It really does make the colours pop. So lining entire design. And there you have it, your Bluey face painting design for you to practice at home. This one's super popular. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything that you want me to face paint in the next one. Until then, happy painting.